Hi guys, welcome to my product review. This is my first time to review a tech product. What I bought from the store is a MagicForce keyboard. It is a Chinese brand. This one is compact, 68 keys, and it is Gateron brown and color white or silver. So I bought this from Softbox Solution Enterprise, located at the Quesda Plaza building, Quezon Avenue, corner EDSA, Quezon City. So I personally go there and bought this one, even though I spend more on the pair, but I just want to make sure that I'm buying the right product. So guys, they also have a shipping. If you're just near, you'll just add 80 pesos. Unlike for me, I go there using Uber, I spend 140, and going back again the same. It's almost like 280 expenses or pair going there. So I bought this with the amount of 2,800 from their stores. Unfortunately, that guy who serves me has a bad bread. Guys from Softbox Solution, please, if you have a time, brush your teeth also. Okay. So this is the case. Sorry, my hand is sweating. So this is the case, the package, I mean. So the package is quite compact also, as I think as the keyboard. So remove this box. There you have it. So for the first time, we will see what's inside on this package. We will slide this and then slide this. Then voila, it's open. So there's a keycap puller. There's a USB cable. It will be mounted on this keyboard to your laptop or computer. They also have this 64 keyboard, and there's a brand here, MagicForce. And there's also a quick guide. So it's written in English, and it's also written in Chinese. So later we will try to see or I will try to read the manual. So dip switch, they also have a dip switch, escape function, FN combination, key speed adjustment. Look, they have key speed adjustment. It is also a multimedia keyboard. It says here FZ, FN. They also have the home and end function using FN. Scroll lock. So basically, the missing part from the full keyboard will be replaced by the combination of FN plus the letters or the numbers or signs. So like this one, FN arrow up, it will increase the brightness of the key. FN arrow down, it will decrease. Eventually, it also turn off. Breathing mode, I'm not sure what is the breathing mode. Maybe later we'll try it with when the keyboard is on. So this one is a Chinese. Arigato. Oh, it's a Japanese. I speak Japanese. So let's put that aside. Let's see the keyboard. There. So the keyboard is very small. No, it's almost like in my 2 palm. Sorry about the sweat. So it's very compact. Unlike my keyboard there, it's very big. And they have deep switches. So the first switch, this one over here, it will try to swap the caps lock key and the left control key. The second switch, it is swap window key with the M key. This one over here, the second. While the other one is the lock window key. If you're playing games, I think it's better you will put that on or put that here on this side. It will lock the window key, so the window key will not work. So during your games using Windows, it's perfect. So later we will try this using the laptop over there. So basically on your box, on your package, you can find this keyboard, this USB, this keycap puller, and your quick guide. So basically that's the things that you can find in the package. Let's try to use this keycap puller if it will work. Let's try the FN. Oh, perfect. It's easy to pull. Okay, so as you can see, it's color brown. See there, it's color brown. Okay, now let's try to set up this keyboard and hook it up in the laptop. So as the manual says, we can use the FN and arrow up to increase the light, the brightness of the keyboard. Oh, it's a caps lock. You can also use the FN and arrow down to decrease or turn off the light. So, okay, let's use the full brightness. So since this keyboard is elevated, or the keycaps, or the switches are on the board. Looks like made of aluminum. Since the keycaps or the key switches are on top of the board, so the light tends to illuminate the surrounding. See, in my hand, it is emitting light. So this one is made of plastic. This one is made of not sure whether it's plastic or aluminum. I think plastic. It's not heavy, unlike the other mechanical keyboards is heavy. This one is very light, maybe around 1/4 kilos or so, or lesser. Okay, so we'll try also the function, and this one, what was that?